Many of us think that there is no personal vault option inside Windows. Well, I would say this is not completely true, especially when you have got Microsoft Office 365 subscription. As we all know, Microsoft Office comes with 1 terabyte of online space and a personal vault. Now let me show you how you can secure your files and folder in that personal vault, which is very safe and secure. All you need to do is you need to click on this Windows button, and now you need to type OneDrive. Now I'm gonna open my OneDrive folder, and I am hoping that you also have installed OneDrive in your system. And excuse me if you are seeing there are a lot of scattered document, which probably I'm gonna fix later on. Now here you can see there is a personal vault option. So let me click on it, and there we go. So here you need to first of all configure this, and here you can see it is secured by Microsoft two-step verification. It also comes with automatic lock after 20 minutes of inactivity and automatically turn off sharing to keep your file private. Now let me click on next. Now here we need to click on allow, and there we go. Now here, in order to set this for the first time, we need to verify ourselves. Now here I need to provide my backup email, and let's click on send code. Now let me enter the code here, and let's click on verify. And there we go. So our vault is set up. All we need to do is now we can go inside this vault. And here we see that there is nothing inside. Now all you can do here is whatever thing that you would like to secure. For example, it could be a folder, or it could be a very important document. For example, this presentation. So let me simply drag and move this to my personal vault. Now in a similar way, you also can save a folder, and let me just quickly send this folder to this personal vault. Now here let me make a right click, and here you also can see the option of locking personal vault. So let me click on it. Now here it says that we have not finished saving changes to your personal vault yet, as I just moved certain documents here. So I will wait for the sync to take place, and after that all you need to do is you need to click on lock personal vault. Once done, now your vault is closed. Now in order to see the content inside, let's make a double click again, and here you need to provide your PIN. So let me type my PIN, and now the vault is open again, and in this way now I can access my secured files and folder. So that's how guys you can secure your files and folder inside Windows 11. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Windows Nexus, where our mission is to elevate your Windows experience. See you in the next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.